Hello, my name is teacher Sarah. I want to thank you for this amazing opportunity. Today I will explain the present perfect and it includes the definition, the form, and the example. Now we have a present perfect and as we mentioned, it includes the definition, the form, and the example. So the present perfect means is an English verb tense used for past actions that are related to or continue into the present. We have a note here. One of the most important things to remember about a present perfect is that we don't really care when exactly something happened. For example, I say, like, I have lost my keys. So I don't really care if I lost them yesterday or I don't really care if I lost them a week ago. I just care about the result. So I have lost my keys and I can't get into my house. Now we have the form of the present perfect is that we have I, you, we, they, plus have, plus past participle, which is verb 3, and he, she, it, plus has, plus past participle, which is verb 3. Now we have two kinds of the verb 3 of the verb 3 means we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. We have example of regular verbs like present simple like play, and in the past simple played, and the past participle played, and stop, stopped, stopped. And the irregular verb we have present simple like run, and past simple like rain, and past participle run. And the other word bring, brought, and rise, rose, prison. Now we have marker words for present perfect. Ever, never, since, already, yet. And also, we have a marker words for the past simple. A year ago, in 1990, in March 2005. Now the example of the present perfect, like I have never eaten pizza in my life. The second example, I have been to Great Britain once. Now the negative form of the present perfect is that we add not after have. I, you, we, they, plus have, plus not, plus past participle which is verb 3. And he, she, it, plus has, plus not, plus past participle which is again verb 3. And the question form of the present perfect is that we add the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence before the subject. We add the have and has before the subject, and then after the subject we add verb past participle. For example, have you ever been to the United States? And we can also add before have and has W question plus have and has, and after plus have and has we have subject and verb past participle. For example, we have what have you done today? So now we use the present perfect to talk about actions that started in the past or happened in the past and continues to the present. So for example, I have lost my keys, so I can't get into my house. They have missed the bus. They will be late. I have already eaten, so I'm not hungry. And we also use the present perfect when you talk about our life experiences. Like I have been to the UK. I have studied in Germany. I have done this so many times before. We also use the present perfect if we have an unfinished time word, like today, this week, this month, this year, etc. For example, we have already repaired our car twice this year. You have already done so many things today. You have already slept for 5 hours today, so stop sleeping. Now we have the difference between the present perfect and past simple. Is that present perfect, like I have worked here for 5 years. That means it's unfinished action. Past simple, I worked here for 5 years, That means is finished actions. And finally, we have here an exercise. Like, here we have two sentences. The first sentence is he hungry in 1990. And then he hungry 2 times. So in the first sentence we add visited, and in the second sentence we add has visited. And I hope you like my explanation about the present perfect. Thank you for listening.